Hello everyone, my name is CA Manish Kumar and I'm a chartered accountant practicing in Delhi. My practice area is GST and income tax litigation, and also I'm a big fan of technology. So as a CA, we sorry, as a CA, when we handle our clients' income tax and GST cases, then we have to interact with AI platforms, and to analyze some PDF files, we have to upload these files on various AI platforms and other platform also to merge or split sometimes. So there is a risk of data exposure of sensitive information of our client. So then here the question comes, how can we save our client's sensitive information? So here's the answer. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? So here's the solution. I have made a PDF editing and redaction tool. So guys, this is a desktop tool which hide or and permanently remove the sensitive information from any PDF. So it is built with Python using some Python libraries. This software allows us editing, highlighting, underlining, and reduction of data easily. Guys, it works fully on offline mode, so data never leaves our system. It remains in our system always, and it is specially designed for chartered accountant and other finance professionals. Key feature of this is here we can merge PDF file and split PDF file. We can also highlight some areas, underline something, and we can use freehand pen tool also. So it permanently redact text tables or any other selected area, whatever we want to hide. This tool also has zoom in and zoom out feature with just mouse and touchpad also. This tool also have undo and redo option. And after everything, we can save the final PDF in our system. So let me show you the tool. Is it visible? So here we open something. I have made some PDF which are dummy with don't have any client data. So here in the left side, we have page bar. We can go to any page by clicking. The first of all, if you want to highlight something, we just have to click here. We can choose highlight color also. We can choose any color. We just have to highlight things with the help of mouse. The second feature is underlining the data. If you want to underline, we just have to select and it will be underlined. The third feature is freehand pen. Like we can select, write anything which we want to write. We can also change underline color and pen color also. There's one other feature also, that if you want to search something, like we want to search ABC, it will show us how many times it is written. Like in our PDF, it is written 3 times. If you want to redact this, we can redact just in a single click. It will give a warning. Yes. So it is redacted. We can also manually redact something, like using this redact feature with the help of cursor and mouse. We can go to any other page also. Suppose if we have done something, hidden something which we don't want to hide, then we can undo and redo option also. Further, We can go to next page or previous page from here also. After everything, we can save our edited PDF file in our desired location. Like I am saving it detail on the desktop. So here is our saved file. You can see that these are the options which we have redirected. It is permanently redirected, guys. Nobody can access this through any online tools or anything else. There's one other feature also, guys, which is merging. Generally, when we go to online and try to merge files, there's a limitation of 5 or 10 files. But with the help of this tool, we can merge any number of file. Like, let me show you. Just a second. Like in this page, we have 40 files approx. And if I want to merge in a single click, it is the files have been merged and it is asking us location. So guys, it is merged in just a minute. If you want to see, you can check that all the 40 files have been merged here. The next feature is to split the PDF also. If you want to split some PDF, like we want to split one to page number 2, it will split in a second. So this is all. Any question is welcome.
No query from me.
Rahul sir, any queries?
There's one question from my side. After the redaction, can we retrieve that data?
No, we can't retrieve the data. If the file is open, we can do undo. But if we have closed this tool, we cannot recover the data from the saved file. But our original file will remain the same.
Can we replace the text?
No, this feature is not in this.
Okay.
Any other question, sir?
No, sir. No other question from my side.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Manish ji. Now we